Ade, how is that your auntie that lost that two child? And she's feeling fine. You are calling her. She's feeling fine. I know that it's not easy, but it's only to tie the heart. Because so many things that happen now in just Cameroon. The accident that they make it there. And then on the 25th, Moto 2, that people, some woman's children like that, 3 children, the motor grind it.
My people, them, my beautiful people, my sweet and elegant people for this house. Wait till again if I no can story, my people. This time your girl Diamond Nikki in the palace. I say my people, before I want to now, if I hear una this talk, una she don't drown, una take cup of coffee, una mellow and that. Say people they cry me yesterday. Why are you hitting on Askia? Why are you hating on Askia? Askia don't do you hate you because on my video. In your video, name fast say my people. Any man get home my way or hang with bando. Well, nice you tonight. See, I like Askia very badly. Me man no tell me I don't like Askia. Oh, wow. Askia come out from Barondo land. Land where they born me. No, me man no try that kind of thing. I like Askia. Now just say that close for that day though will be fit for my eye. And I begin to talk the talk. Yes, my people. I want Tonton yesterday. See what international. He make a live show. Now through Gandhi post was Siam. Yes, the Gandhi be share a live show. I said see what international knock more than 8 hours for live show. Let me say a whole day of working hour. Yes. People never watch that live show now. Na wrong watch now. Not tired for the half of the live show. A lot of people they think they just talk for their mind. Only talk. Only question. See what international to give them. And so they think they go in the ginger their spirit in the maker. I say, people. Wait till I want to talk this morning time. Now say I want ton bam. Na Gandhi he share a video where na Kobos, his husband, the dance inside car. And he talk a lot on top that video. That means say that post be carry a lot. And at the end, it be insult the man CPD. My brother and my sister them travel Grandview. This pattern this so we go bring you for your compound because we get for debunk all thing and we talk as a day. I say a Grandview, you don't bring out your sister you and your sister, your husband, where you don't mess up. This one your sister. Now you want quick tell we say na your sister this in all ramification. Say you no go pili again how you used to pili for big compound. I check that video. I can't blog about her. Say, hey, Gandhi, even as something, they like say you get small vex the way you vex for your heart concerning a nangamono no when a kobolistica kobos. I don't understand. But the way you insult your husband, yes, I know say they mess up. Yeah, quite alright, they mess up for this kind of video for come out of to the public. But now you supposed to cover your sister is shame. Now you supposed to cover your sister is shame. I know say the one is shame, but now you supposed to cover is shame. The sacrosanctity of a marriage. Now you supposed to cover them. As a sister where you be, you know what it mean when you a sister carry another sister a husband bring her for public and you leave and make people insult the man. Only under that post a lot of people they come for day whether na enanga monono when na kobolisika kobosi people they come for another post. I just cried because the particular matter it passed me. I go talk the matter today. Couples Now you this for last some months them ago before you were married. There's some video be come out about your massa. Now you leak so audio go test so your friend your massa and this, your massa that. You get for understand say no be na everybody like you. You get for understand say those way they dey for your contact list, you get for erase them. Yes. Now you the tell we say know your circle, no play where you belong, know your circle. No say as you send video them for outside now so they go the carry go social media. Know how to keep your house private. A woman when you no get secret for house, they call that woman say Bembet pot baba shalaba. How are the talk and I say a woman when you no get privacy for a house go quickly easily get problem where you no go fit for carry am. I go talk this talk as a day. Kobolistica kobos. If you know where to be very good for you. All that your small picking the one that then for your group where you be store your number. Erase then give the new number. Or you go get a new private number when they are own. Where you go to use and go to put your you want to make your status they be but not the expose your man in that such magnitude, in that such way. Then he is a sacrosanct, a holy person. Like when I talk say a sacrosanct, na person will be holy, a dignitary of the Most High. Yes, I don't overtalk this talk and I go still talk him again and I still talk him as them. You bringing that man in the public. Like I remember I said the kaba where you wear this wedding man wear and so now kaba where you be wearing for your married day, your traditional marriage. I will put the kaba for you. That kaba now you wear the kaba for your traditional marriage. Why you get for leave and make this particular video can make them mock? Let me say they are mocking your husband. You know the thing is hot. It is hot. The worst. See when the mom my boyfriend, I feel go then the worst na say man we don't pay my diary. Diary me and you run pull ring. We don't go all level of marriage as concerning marriage. The sacred house of marriage will go there, will do all things, will be united. Then the mocky, the insulty in the public. It will over-vex me. If it not vex you, Kobolistic, Mommy K, it vex me. Why? Because I believe say anybody for inside this social media, since I enter social media, know say me, I am a die-hearted fan. And I go see talk and today till tomorrow. Nothing need to change my mob. Me, I be fan of Kobos way. I so much like Kobos. So much. Very, very much. Where if I see something in it go well, I must talk about them. Mom, for this particular issue, so stop for the bring your massa for outside. Stop for the expose the man. Marriage is a sacred thing. Keep it sacred. Let love lead. Yes, una love una self. And not say be man where you like video. Even if you don't tell your bed for China video day for your ski, you sleep video day, you snore video day. You go friend in house inside taxi you get video. Me all we will know that aspect say you love video. All we will know that aspect say no, you are a person video like. But this particular aspect then get for reduce when you enter your home. We not tell you things for do for your marriage, no. But we try for tell you because that person for outside go see your mistake before he tell you. Now another man go see a dirty for eye before he tell you, and then another man go hear the gas where you gas am. You know go smell your gas. Now different person go smell your gas before you see some person gas, and I go see talk. Now friend where he like you go tell you say you mop the smell. Friend where don't like you no go tell you say you mop the smell. So Mommy K, in all waiting when me and Wolan with it me this morning or this afternoon or whatsoever time we dey for your play where you hear this video, because I want to make this video reach to you and make you watch until the end. Know your cycle. Know who you dey send your video out to. Who go take am? The person where the particular man where he take this video out to the public. Now God go judge you. Now God go. I say my people, I don't see play Newu Christy, Mama Talaku, he bring a PA own photo for her site with cap for head. I see yesterday na for the version like comment section. He bring cap for head where a PAM global over. I tell you una the thing. That one I just will show love to the public. Say my husband love me, my boyfriend love me, but up to this point in time, una already be a public figure where everybody, some people, man like me, they look up to you guys. Yes, we no want time. The point of being that the bad for the kaba, or the point of being that say it bad for you for bring out. The point na how they go take am insult you, na it the pain my heart. The point of being that say it bad for you for bring am out. The point na the way they go take a insult you, the way they go take a hammer on you. You know, social media vloggers are everywhere waiting for your least mistake for them to turn it into a mighty problem. I rest my case. Thank you very much. If you watch to this point in time, you never subscribe, I beg, subscribe to this YouTube channel and let peace reign. Love you guys back to back. Peace.